Another problem that we have, 4.5 divided by 3 1/3. Now, dividing mixed numbers can be a little tricky. However, it's actually not too bad once you convert it into an improper fraction. Okay? Now, if you want to convert it into decimals, that is perfectly fine. However, your final answer should be either a mixed number or it should be an improper fraction. If your problem starts with fractions, your problem should end with fractions. So I just want to give you all a small reminder on that one. So 4.5 divided by 3 1/3. Well, what I like to normally tell students, convert each mixed fraction into an improper fraction. In other words, we're still going to have a 2 on the denominator for this one, and then we'll have a 3 on the denominator for this one. So we would have a 2 times 4, which is 8, plus 1, which gives us a 9. So 4.5 is the same thing as 9/2. And then a 3 times 3, which gives us a 9, plus 1, which gives us a 10. So 3 1/3 is the same thing as 10/3. Now, going back to your lecture videos and going back to your reading material, when we divide fractions, there was a good saying that said, keep, change, flip. In other words, we keep the first fraction just the way it is, we change that division sign to a multiplication, and we flip the second fraction, 3/10. So now, instead of dividing the two fractions, we're actually multiplying by the reciprocal of the second one. So when we multiply, we can actually just multiply straight across. So that means 9 times 3, which gives us a 27, and then a 2 times 10, which gets us a 20. So right now, our final answer would be 27/20. However, if you feel really comfortable about mixed fractions, you can convert this improper fraction into a mixed fraction. Okay? So basically, how many times can 20 go into 27? Okay, how many times does this number on the bottom go into 27? Well, it can only go into it once. So 1 times 20 is 20. Now, how much more do I have left to get to 27? Well, then I have 7. Okay, so 1 and 7/20, that could also be another answer. That's just a mixed fraction version of the improper fraction. Either answer would work. But remember, you just have to have fractions as your answer if you start off with fractions in your problem.